So today we're having a sort of community day with the help of the residents. Obviously, we're going to be creating an area for all to appreciate. It's going to be quite sensory, so it'll sort of sway in the wind and things like that. People will be able to touch it, so it'll be very tactile.
Today we've supplied the plants and the soil and the wheelbarrows and the spades, and to basically put the garden together and make it look nice for them. It's brilliant because it gives the residents here something nice to come down and have a look at this basically beautiful garden with a really nice view.
Somewhere to come and sit down and enjoy the plants, and somewhere to stay rather than stuck inside all day long.
It's just like looking at the garden. I think it just sort of helps them reconnect with their past, really. And they'll talk about what plants they had and when they've seen such plants. So it's really very nice for them.